Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to learn After Effects, so without any delay let's roll the intro. Firstly, let me tell you guys I did not learn After Effects from any institute or motion design school. In this video I will tell you how I learned After Effects. You can also learn it very easily by following these steps. If you like editing videos for fun, or you are a YouTube creator and want to create high quality of video editing, then After Effects is a software for you. Why I learned After Effects? It's a story of another day. For that video stay focused on our topic. Let me tell you there are tons of courses available online. Buying one of them is a waste of money. Because they will only tell you about basics of After Effects. If you are a beginner, then you should watch beginner tutorials on YouTube for basic knowledge of software. Investing in course is not a great idea because you can learn it on YouTube for free of cost. After you had basic knowledge of After Effects, start watching popular After Effects tutorial channels. You will learn a lot from them as well. One more thing, After Effects is all about practice and experiments, so start experimenting with different features and effects and see how it goes. I spent a lot of time in experimenting. After that I started freelancing and edited more than thousands of VideoHive templates for clients across the globe. From that I got two profits. First is money which is required for software's monthly license fees. And second, I got templates from professionals, so I reverse engineered them and checked how they create such complex animations. I am not sponsored, but you can purchase Envato Elements subscription. They offer unlimited download and monthly subscription if you want complex animation templates from professionals. It will help you a lot. Now, you have a basic idea and plans for getting started and all the process. All you need to practice with software. With practice you will become professional. If you don't want to purchase Envato Elements subscription, it is totally fine, you will learn a lot from YouTube as well. Last tip, with time you will know about all the popular extensions available for After Effects, but in my experience and journey I never feel that I must have that plugin. Native After Effects is sufficient 99.99% of the time. That does not mean I don't like plugins, but I think about their uses in daily life. So don't distract your mind towards them and focus on learning native After Effects. With that, let me end this video. If you like this video and my journey with After Effects, then don't forget to like this video. Please check out my other tutorials as well. I also create tutorials for After Effects, so please consider subscribing. If you still have any question, feel free to post it on comment section. I will reply everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.